How to replace the LED ceiling light. Hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. My name is Kim C. If you are the first timer here, please do subscribe my channel. And also do click the bell button for future notification. If you have seen my previous video about the bomb shelter rack, that my bomb shelter LED ceiling light is spoiled, so I went to bought a replacement. Okay, I bought this LED ceiling light board about $15.90, and it's a 14 volt fluorescent light. It's a white color. So it comes with the LED light and the driver. Because my driver is spoiled, that's why I need this driver. So how to connect? Later I will show you. This LED light is magnetic, so I just no need to screw. I just magnet it, stick it on top. So what I do is to just connect the live and the neutral wire to this head. It's very easy. So for the color of the live and neutral wire, you see here, some is yellow is live, then black is neutral, and green is earth. Some also is brown is live, and blue is neutral, and yellow is earth. Before you change, please off the main power first. I think it's this one. Just switch off. Right, first just remove the cover. Okay, I already removed. See, this is the driver that is spoiled, so I need to change the whole thing. Okay, the old one out first. Just take the clip out. So easy, so simple. Okay, this is my new one, and it's a magnetic, so I just snap it in. So easy. And this is magnet. I already label. Neutral is a blue color, and live is a brown color. So I will magnetic here. Then I think I don't need this one. Okay, neutral is okay. Let's do the blue one. Blue is earth, so this is earth. I will click the earth. Okay, and then this is no, this is neutral. Blue color is neutral, so this is live. The brown is live. Okay, I go and on the switch and see the light. I have on the main switch, and now I switch on. Yeah! Very simple, right? Even 3 years old also can do that. You just connect the right colors wire, and it's done. So if you are afraid, just find electrician. I no money, I do myself. So just now correction is the live and neutral, no earth. Earth just leave it there. So just connect the correct color wire. Okay, hope this video will help you how to replace your LED light if spoiled. So please do subscribe my channel if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comment, just leave it below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.